If you're over the age of 60 and you sit down right now for most of your day, this message could quietly change your future. Doctors across the United States are warning seniors about a common daily habit that feels harmless, comfortable, and even relaxing, yet is silently damaging the heart, joints, circulation, muscles, memory, and independence after 60. The most dangerous part is that almost everyone does it, and almost no one talks about it. This habit does not cause pain immediately. It works slowly, quietly, and patiently. By the time many seniors notice the damage, it has already taken years away from their health. Today, you will learn exactly what this habit is, why it becomes far more dangerous after 60, how it quietly harms the body step by step, and most importantly, how you can reverse much of the damage starting today using safe, simple, doctor-proof strategies designed for seniors. Stay with me, because the solution is easier than you think. The habit doctors are warning about is prolonged sitting. Sitting for long periods of time without movement, watching television, sitting at the computer, sitting during meals, sitting while reading, sitting while scrolling on your phone, sitting while driving. For many seniors, sitting has quietly become the default position of daily life. After retirement, routines change. Movement decreases. Chairs become more comfortable. The body adapts. And slowly the damage begins. Doctors now refer to prolonged sitting as the silent aging accelerator for seniors. Even people who exercise for 30 minutes a day are still at risk if they sit for long stretches afterward. The body was not designed to remain still for hours at a time, especially not after 60, when circulation, muscle mass, and joint lubrication naturally decline. Sitting too long sends harmful signals to nearly every system in the body. Before 60, the body has more resilience. Muscles recover faster. Blood vessels respond more easily. After 60, changes occur naturally. Muscle mass decreases. Metabolism slows. Blood flow becomes less efficient. Balance declines. Sitting for long periods amplifies all of these changes. When you sit, large muscles in the legs shut down. Blood circulation slows. Blood sugar rises. Inflammation increases. Over time, this increases the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, joint stiffness, chronic pain, blood clots, memory decline, and loss of independence. Doctors now say prolonged sitting is as dangerous as smoking for older adults. The danger is not dramatic. It is gradual. It happens quietly, day after day, chair after chair. When you sit for long periods, blood pools in the legs. Veins work harder to push blood back to the heart. This increases pressure inside blood vessels. Over time, arteries stiffen. Circulation weakens. The heart must work harder. Studies show seniors who sit more than 8 hours a day have significantly higher risk of heart disease and stroke, even if they exercise occasionally. Sitting also slows an enzyme that helps break down fats in the bloodstream. As a result, bad cholesterol rises. Good cholesterol drops. Inflammation increases. All of this happens quietly, without pain, until a serious event occurs. Joints are designed to move. Movement circulates synovial fluid, which lubricates joints and reduces stiffness. Sitting stops that process. Hips tighten. Knees stiffen. Lower back compresses. Neck muscles weaken. Over time, sitting creates chronic pain patterns. Many seniors believe pain is just part of aging, but in reality, prolonged sitting is a major cause. Sitting shortens hip flexor muscles, pulls on the lower spine, and reduces stability. This leads to balance problems and falls, one of the most dangerous risks for seniors. Muscles shrink when they are not used. Sitting turns off the glute muscles, thigh muscles, and core muscles. These muscles are critical for walking, climbing stairs, and preventing falls. Doctors now warn that sitting too much accelerates muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. Loss of muscle is one of the main reasons seniors lose independence. Standing up becomes harder. Walking feels tiring. Balance becomes shaky. The good news is that muscles respond at any age. Even small changes can rebuild strength. The brain depends on healthy blood flow. Sitting too long reduces circulation to the brain. This affects memory, focus, and mood. Seniors who sit more report higher rates of depression and anxiety. Movement releases natural mood-boosting chemicals like endorphins. Sitting deprives the brain of these benefits. Doctors now link prolonged sitting to faster cognitive decline. Movement is medicine for the brain, especially after 60. Here is the most important part. You do not need intense exercise. You do not need a gym. You do not need expensive equipment. You simply need to break up sitting time. Doctors recommend standing or moving every 30 minutes. Even 1 to 2 minutes of movement can dramatically improve circulation, blood sugar, and muscle activation. This small habit change can reverse much of the damage caused by years of sitting. Set a timer. Every 30 minutes. Stand up, walk around your room, march in place. Stretch your arms. Do not overthink it. Consistency matters more than intensity. Seniors who follow this rule show improved heart health within weeks. That if standing is difficult, move while seated. Lift one leg at a time. Roll your ankles. Squeeze your thigh muscles. Raise your arms overhead. These movements reactivate circulation and muscles. Walking is the best exercise for seniors. Even 10 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day, reduces the harmful effects of sitting. Walk after meals to control blood sugar. Walk while talking on the phone. Make movement part of your routine. Stand while watching commercials. Stand while reading. Stand while brushing teeth. Small habits add up. The goal is to sit less, not exercise more. Sitting is not rest. Movement is medicine. The body heals through motion. It is never too late to start. Seniors in their 70s, 80s, and even 90s see benefits from moving more. You may feel slightly sore at first. That is normal. Improvement comes gradually. Within weeks, many seniors report less pain, better balance, improved mood, and more energy. Always move within your comfort level. Hold on to a chair if needed. Wear supportive shoes. Talk to your doctor if you have medical conditions. Gentle movement is safe for most seniors. That if you remember only one thing from the day, remember this. Sitting less can add years of strength, clarity, and independence to your life. The chair is comfortable, but movement is powerful. Stand up today. Move a little more. Your future self will thank you. If this message helped you, like this video, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to Informative Zone for trusted senior health guidance. Stay active. Stay strong. Stay independent.